Welcome back, guys, to part 3 of building garage loft. Check it out. I got some plywood right here. I gotta cut it off down at the bottom, even with the angle of the stairs. I gotta get this piece up there. I gotta boom, cut that. I came over here, put 2x4 right here, ran it straight up for railing. Same with this one. I gotta cut them off. Got that one right there. Got this one right here. I got most of the steps done. I got boards I just picked up a little bit ago. I gotta cut and put on here to finish these out. But yeah, so I think what we're gonna do today is we're gonna get the steps finished. I'll get these boards cut down to, they'll be this height right here. They'll be 3 foot 36.5 inches, I believe, actually. And then yeah, we'll have a railing up here, and then I can start on the railing right here. Yeah guys, check out these steps though. Not too bad. Looks pretty good. We put this here so that way we could hang stuff off of it or stuff like that. But after this gets on, I got this 6x6 post I gotta put on. And then I got these brackets to connect the post up there. So we'll get doing that. I'll get this board up there, get it screwed on, and we'll try to get some of this done. There you go, guys. Loft is 99% finished. You guys can see how I turned a open 14-foot sidewall, 16.9 to the peak garage into a 2-story garage with loft, basically. Well, with the 2-story loft. Or just with the loft. Because, I mean, well, loft can't be, has to be on a 2nd story. But I got the railing all done. I got these lights put on under here this morning. I got boards put up, got the 6x6 posts put in, Got the plywood cut off. Hiya! I give it a little Judy chop. I gotta get the carpet and the drums upstairs here sometime tomorrow. I got all these boards right here. I gotta cut down to go in between the joists for like right here. If you can see the red, yeah, the crack for the plywood, so I could put them in there. That way, you know, it helps sturdy it up. It gives side bracing to the floor and all that. You guys seen I got the steps done. Got the railing done. Man, check this out. That's nice. I think what I'm gonna do, I got that wood laid out right there. I think I'm gonna make a little bar right here. Probably come out, you know, boom, to right here. Over to here, I'm gonna get a TV, go right there. Instead of that little one, get a big one. Sit right here, bullshit. Probably end up putting drums right here, and then we'll have storage and stuff back in there. So I have to get them that blocking in for the joists tomorrow. I got to get the rest of this plywood screwed down. Then I can sweep up there, get the drums up there, and run a couple electrical outlets later on. I'm not gonna videotape that tape measure. You guys see me do electrical in the garage if you've watched the video. If not, go check it out. But I want to thank you guys for watching all my videos. Thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe, share it, follow, hit the alert button, comment. I have 486 or 7 subscribers right now. Let's get to 500. Let's do it. Come on. And I'll have some more content coming out later on the end of next week probably. I got a couple things I got to do around here. The city got the shit pipe fixed in the back. So, but love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, like, subscribe, and thank you guys.